बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे पीपीएससी पास्ट पेपर के माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस के एमसीक्यूज। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस इज ए डेस्कटॉप एप्लीकेशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ए माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस इज एन ऑफिस सूट फॉर द both A and B true Microsoft Windows operating system and Mac OS X operating system. Question number 3, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and the Microsoft PowerPoint are the part of Microsoft Office suite. Question number 4, the very first version of the Microsoft Office was the released for Apple Macintosh OS. Question number 5, the first version of the MS Office to be released for the Microsoft Windows operating system is the Microsoft Office 3.0. Question number 6, the word processor in MS Office suite is the Microsoft Word. Question number 7, a Microsoft Word is a word processor that saves in its proprietary format .doc document. Question number 8, Microsoft Office suite separate sheet program is the Microsoft Excel. Question number 9, a competitor to the dominant Nutrus 1, 2, 3 is the Microsoft Excel. Question number 10, a personal information manager and email communication software in MS Office is the Microsoft Outlook. Question number 11, a popular presentation program for Windows and Mac in Microsoft Office is the Microsoft PowerPoint. Question 12, to create slideshow composed of text, graphics, movies and other objects which can be displayed on screen and navigated through by the presenter on or print out on the transparent or the slide one uses Microsoft PowerPoint के रहता है. Question number 13, for database management one uses. Question correct answer है A, Microsoft Access. Question number 14, it is the software for creating newsletter, business card, flyers, greeting card or the postcard. Correct answer is the Microsoft Publisher. Question 15, it is the note-taking software for use with tablet PC or the regular PC. Microsoft OneNote कहलाता है. Question number 16, the Microsoft Office SharePoint Designer is used for the visualizing HTML editor and web designing program for the customizing SharePoint application. It replaces the Microsoft Office. Question number 17, a Microsoft project is the project management software to keep track of the events and to the create network. Question number 18, a Microsoft video is the correct answer is C, diagram and flow charting software. Question number 19, a Microsoft Office accounting is a tool for the managing business finance. Question number 20, Microsoft Office Communicator is the integrated communication client for the conference and meeting in real time. Question number 21, Microsoft Office Document Imaging is an application that supports editing scanned documents. Question number 22, Microsoft Office Document Scanning is the correct answer is B, a scanning and the OCR application. Question number 23, Microsoft Office Groove is application that supports editing scanned documents. Question number 24 is the Microsoft Office Interconnect is the business relationship database कहलाता है. Question number 25, Microsoft Office Picture Manager is the basic photo management software कहलाता है. आज के लिए इतना ही. क्वेश्चन काफ़ी है. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.